Iran's defense minister has quietly confirmed that a deal to buy the long-awaited Sukhoi Su-35 fighter jets from Russia has fallen through. Mohammad Reza Ashtiani was asked on Wednesday about the status of the deal, which was said to have been finalized last year. He responded that the country has the capability to produce fighter jets domestically, indicating a possible change in plans. Iranian officials announced on several occasions over the past few years that Russia would sell some Sukhoi Su-35 fighter jets to Iran, but these claims never came to fruition. Ashtiani said, "At some point, we made a deal for the purchase, but we came to the conclusion that we have the capability to produce it." However, he also mentioned that authorities were investigating the situation and could reconsider the purchase if deemed necessary. In 2018, Iran said it had started production of locally designed Kausar fighter jets for use in its air force. Some military experts believe the jet is a clone of the F-5, which was first produced in the United States in the 1960s. Various scenarios have been speculated as the reasons behind the failure of the deal with Russia. There is speculation that Israel may have influenced Russia's decision to withhold deliveries of advanced fighter jets from Iran. The American government has also expressed concerns about extensive military cooperation between Russia and Iran, noting that it could potentially endanger regional stability. A more plausible explanation was given by aviation expert and author Babak Taghvei, who said the obstacle was Russian resistance. He quoted commander of the Iranian Army Air Force Brigadier General Hamid Vahidi as saying that currently, the General Staff of the Armed Forces has opposed the procurement of the Su-35 multi-role fighter jet from Russia, because the Russian government refuses to transfer technology for the production of spare parts in Iran and provide the knowledge to maintain the aircraft domestically for the next 30 years. Taghvei added that Russia only wanted to sell 25 Su-35s previously ordered by Egypt without adequate maintenance, weapons, spare parts support and simulators. Based on the lessons learned from the sale and delivery of Su-30 fighter jets to Armenia and the Russian government's unreasonable decision, it is very possible that the untrustworthy Russians will do the same to the Iranian Air Force if they intend to use the Su-35 in war, he added. In September, Vahidi said that purchasing Su-35s was on the Air Force's agenda but that the country had no plans to purchase Sukhoi Su-30s. Both were developed from the Sukhoi Su-27, which is a Soviet twin-engine supermaneuverable fighter aircraft. The Su-35 is a single-seat fighter but the Su-30 is a two-seat multi-role fighter. According to reports, the Air Force and Army need at least 64 aircraft, 24 of which will come from Egyptian orders that have not been delivered due to U.S. pressure on Cairo. Iran has also expressed interest in acquiring other advanced military technologies from its partners such as the S-400 air defense system, a mobile surface-to-air missile system. Iran has supplied Russia with hundreds of kamikaze drones that have been used to target Ukraine's military and civilian infrastructure. Moscow denies that its forces use Iranian-made drones in Ukraine, even though many have been shot down and recovered there. Iran's Air Force has only a few dozen attack aircraft, Russian jets and older American models acquired before Iran's 1979 revolution. In contrast, Iran has developed a variety of drones and missiles that it considers a threat to other regional countries, especially Israel. Earlier this week, the Israeli army successfully dropped a bunker buster bomb aimed at destroying a special trench from its F-35 fighter jet. Israel's Channel 14 reported, highlighting this as a clear message to Iran. Israel is the second country in the world after the United States to test this capability, according to the report.